press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is a makeup basic series video, and in this video I would be showing you how you can apply your lipstick perfectly. Hey guys, welcome back and a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in this video I would be showing you how you can apply our lip color perfectly, how you can get fuller lips. So for this you would be needing this thing. This is a lip liner and this is a lip color. You can choose any lip color you want, but I thought with this kind of a makeup look, red would go amazing. So yes, this is a red lip liner and a red lip color. So this is from Seven Heavens and there is no shade name. I can't find the shade name, I'm sorry, but yes, this is the Maybelline lip gradation and it is in the shade red 01. This is an amazing semi matte kind of a lip color. So yes, let's get ahead. So first of all, you would line your lips. So because I have a kind of fuller lips, so I'm not going overboard with outlining my eyes way beyond the natural outline of my lips. So you see, I have just focused on the natural outline of my lips and I haven't gone overboard with the outline. Many girls I know, they always go like outlining their lips way beyond the natural outline, but that is not the correct way. You would look a bit weird. So if you want, you can fill your lips with the same lip liner, or if you want, you can just leave it like this and fill your lips with the lip color. But I would be filling my lips with the lip liner. So you see, I have filled my lips with the lip liner and now I would be applying my lipstick. So this is a beautiful red color. I just love this shade. So just let me show you how you can apply your lip color just perfectly. So first of all, you would go from here, from your Cupid's bow, and then slowly you would fill. So I have applied my lip color, but yes, I have messed up a little because it is a red lip color. And messing with red lip color is just fine. Everybody messes with red lip color. But yes, I'm having a lip color which is as close as my skin color, so it works really nice as a concealer. So with the help of this lip liner, I would just clean everything. So you see, applying your red lip color and getting fuller lips is so easy. So yes, this was my video for all my makeup beginners over there on how to apply your lipstick perfectly, and I hope this video is helpful for all of you guys. And if you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also show some love by subscribing and sharing my videos with all your friends and family. I would love it, guys. So yes, this was all for this video and I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.